Currumbin Valley is only a 2-hour drive from where I live in southeast Queensland, so it's a little bit strange and I've actually never been here before in all the years that I've lived here. But thanks to Groupon travel, I'm spending a couple of days relaxing and detoxing at Ananda Rainforest Spa Retreat. Ananda Rainforest Spa Retreat is one of a growing list of companies partnering with online coupon company Groupon Travel. Ananda is located on Tomowin Mountain in Currumbin Valley. It's about a 20-minute drive from Currumbin Beach, about 30 minutes from the Gold Coast, and about 15 minutes from Wollongbar in New South Wales. The cottage is rustic, but it also has an element of style, with chunky timber beams, polished timber floors, and beautiful stonework. It's a rustic one-bedroom cottage with a massage nook and a huge outdoor spa deck. Facilities include infrared saunas and a meditation loft. The bedroom has a beautiful 4-poster bed and an ensuite, but the thing I really like about the bedroom is the open shower. The whole thing is reminiscent of an African safari lodge. It has lovely views through the rainforest to the distant ranges. I'm just relaxing after a sauna and enjoying the view of the rainforest. Chinese meridian massage works on 14 different meridians of the body. What a great way to start the day by having breakfast on the deck. All the food here is vegetarian. My breakfast this morning consists of organic eggs, zucchini, avocado and tomatoes. Only vegetarian food is allowed in the cottage. Meals are included and delivered from local restaurants.